Hey, good to have you here. If you want your videos to feel polished and professional, mastering advanced transitions in Premiere Pro is a must. Whether you're working on YouTube videos, short films, or client projects, well-executed transitions can make your edits feel seamless and dynamic. Today, I'll walk you through how to download Premiere Pro and show you some powerful techniques to enhance your videos with smooth cinematic transitions. Before we get started, you'll need Premiere Pro installed. If you don't have it yet, check out the link in the description. It takes you straight to Adobe's official site, where you can download the latest version safely. Once you follow the link, here's what to do next. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't already have one, setting it up is quick and easy. Find Premiere Pro in the app list and select Free Trial to start the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will handle the Premiere Pro installation for you. Once the installation is done, open Premiere Pro and you're ready to edit. Now that you've set up Premiere Pro, let's discuss how to add smooth, professional transitions to elevate your videos to the next level. How to add advanced transitions in Premiere Pro transitions help your clips flow together naturally, keeping your audience engaged. Here's how you can apply them. Import your footage and place your clips on the timeline. Open the effects panel and go to video transitions. Here you'll find classic transitions like cross dissolve, dip to black, and slide. Drag a transition between two clips on your timeline to apply it. Adjust the duration and easing in the effect controls panel to make the transition smoother. For more advanced effects, try using keyframes and blending modes to create custom transitions. If you want to be extra creative, apply speed ramps or use masking and overlays to create cinematic effects. Taking the time to fine-tune these transitions makes a huge difference in how polished your final video looks. Before you go, if you haven't downloaded Premiere Pro yet, grab the link in the description now. That way, you'll have access to the latest tools and features. And if you know someone who's trying to improve their editing skills, share this video with them. These tips can help them take their projects to the next level. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with transitions, and I'll see you at the next one.